Are you a marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone interested in the world of graphics AI? If so, you're in luck. Hey, it's me, Andrew Darius. Well, sort of. I'm the AI version of Andrew Darius, his AI avatar, and I've got some killer news for you. You know that game-changing virtual live event, Beyond Imagination, MidJourney Graphics AI for marketers? Sure, the live chit-chat may be done and dusted, but who cares? The gold nuggets of wisdom are still worth their weight in. Well, gold. First, you'll get access to the main event replay where you'll learn what MidJourney is and how to use it effectively. The MidJourney prompts template structure. The Invoke Method, complete with a cheat sheet featuring a list of 270 archetypes. The Slider Method, to ensure all elements in your prompt show up. You'll even get a recommended values cheat sheet. The Cowbell Method, a solution to apply in case when the Slider Method doesn't work. 7 ways to make $1,000 with MidJourney. How to create full-blown, sellable MidJourney prompts using ChatGPT, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. You'll also get access to the recordings of VIP workshop where you'll learn, create your own style, and how to take it to the next level by using the cheat sheet with artist references for over 1,000 artists that MidJourney knows. MidJourney photography, and how to boost your MidJourney photos by using a master list of photographers recognized by MidJourney. Discover the little-known demigod parameter for MidJourney. Learn how to create sellable posters with MidJourney. Explore the creation of stickers, die cuts, vector graphics, flat illustrations, and logos. Master the art of typography design. So, are you ready to get your hands on this replay bundle that'll level up your AI marketing game like nobody's business? If you're as stoked as I am, don't wait any longer. Click the button below to secure your spot for the Beyond Imagination MidJourney Graphics AI for Marketers Replay Bundle. This is your chance to learn from the real Andrew Darius, the man behind the AI magic and a true pioneer in the digital product space. With his guidance and the hands-on techniques you'll learn, you'll walk away feeling like a total AI marketing rock star. By investing in the replay bundle, you're investing in your future success and ensuring that you have access to cutting-edge AI techniques that can transform your marketing content. Click the button below to grab your access to the Beyond Imagination MidJourney Graphics AI for Marketers Replay Bundle, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newbie. If you're passionate about AI and eager to learn how to use it to revolutionize your marketing content, this replay bundle is perfect for you. And as part of this exclusive offer, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals who are just as enthusiastic about AI and marketing as you are. You'll have the chance to network, exchange ideas, and share your experiences with others who understand the power of AI marketing. So, what are you waiting for? This is your shot to learn from the best and gain the knowledge you need to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of AI marketing. Sign up now for the Beyond Imagination MidJourney Graphics AI for Marketers Replay Bundle, and let's take this journey together. I'm confident that you'll walk away with valuable insights, new skills, and a powerful network of fellow AI marketers and entrepreneurs. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the link below to secure your spot today. See you inside the replay bundle, and remember, although I'm just the AI avatar of Andrew Darius, I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking, who is the replay bundle for? Well, let me tell you, it's for anyone who wants to stay on the cutting edge of AI marketing and leverage the power of MidJourney Graphics AI for their marketing efforts. So go ahead, take the plunge, and grab your access to the Beyond Imagination MidJourney Graphics AI for Marketers. You won't regret it. This is the opportunity of a lifetime to learn from the best, gain valuable insights, and be part of an exclusive community of AI marketing enthusiasts. Click the button below and secure your spot today. See you on the inside.